So let's look at a 23.6 inch bar that deforms 5.91 times 10 to the negative third inches. What's the strain? So we take a look at this and remember our strain. Oh, starting to get ahead of ourselves here. Our strain is defined by the deformation divided by the length. Our deformation is 5.91 times 10 to the negative third inches, dividing it by the length of 23.6 inches. And so if I bash all those numbers out in my calculator, I get 250 times 10 to the negative 6 inch per inch. So if you did example 3.1, you'll probably notice something. It's the exact same deformation as the other one, and it should be. It's the exact same bar. 23.6 inches is a 0.6 meter bar, and I just wanted to show it doesn't really matter if you're English or metric units. These are all going to work out to be the same thing because they are technically unitless.